Hey friends, a lot of users are asking if GTX 1660 is super compatible with Windows 11. The answer is no. Why am I saying this? Because a lot of users are posting even in 2025 to check about its compatibilities. Obviously, they say that it is not compatible with DirectX Ultimate, but with 12.1, etc. etc. But here's my suggestion. As of present, all these older GPUs will be phased out very soon, and I would suggest buying an RTX 3000 series or 4000 series GPU, at least if you are not buying a better one. Why? Because in the generation of artificial intelligence, you will be needing GPUs for all of these activities, and with GTX 1660, you can only play older games. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.